Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace cabin air filter 2012 Nissan Murano, updated. Start by opening the glove box, removing the stops, and lowering it carefully. Remove the filter cover and slide out the old cabin filter, inspecting for leaves and dust. Insert the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing down, secure the cover, lift the glove box back into position, and test the vents for improved airflow and reduced odor. Many basic replacements only require a flat screwdriver and the replacement cabin filter. Before starting, turn off the car and set the parking brake for safety. Remove the glove box stops and lower the box to expose the filter compartment, then compare the old filter to the new one to confirm size and airflow direction. Vacuum the housing if needed, install the filter aligned correctly, and reassemble in reverse order. Begin by lowering the glove box to expose the filter cover and retaining clips, then press the clips and slide out the cover. Carefully pull the old filter straight out to avoid scattering debris, inspect the housing, and vacuum if necessary. Insert the new filter aligned with the airflow arrow, replace the cover, lift the glove box back into place, and run the HVAC on high to confirm cleaner airflow and quieter operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.